Alright, so I am at Beltzville State Park up here in Carbon County, Pennsylvania, and I was at the fossil area earlier looking. They had a lot of cool fossils there. So, but now I'm headed to a waterfall area. I'm walking along what's called the Christman Trail. There is another way to get there. It's a little shorter, but I'm gonna go this way. I need a little bit longer hike to get in. So it's a beautiful day. Had some big storms come in last night. Temperature's a little cooler, a little less humid today, so I'm gonna enjoy this. So hopefully the waterfalls are cool. The fossil area was really neat, so head on down here and see what these waterfalls are all about. And of course, if I see anything else interesting, I'll show you too. Check out this little mushroom growing in the sun here. One of these little, oops, bust them off there. Russulas. Probably it's called an emetic russula, or a bitter russula. And if you would taste it, you would find out why it's called a bitter russula. Very bitter. So I ain't gonna taste it. But it is just an absolutely beautiful day to be out here. This section of the trail is really neat, like walking through a little hemlock forest here. I'm liking this. Build myself a log cabin in here. These flowers here, these are called yarrow. These little feathery leaves on them. What's neat about these is these can be used to stop bleeding. Crush the leaves up and put it on where you're bleeding, and it acts like an astringent. It stops the bleeding right away. This is one of the flowers that got me interested in like herbal stuff, because I tried it and I was like, wow, it works. So that's yarrow. Got all kinds of things here. Here's those Indian pipes. I'll talk about those in other videos. Non-photosynthetic plants. Here's a cool mushroom. Yellow patches. And up here's another mushroom, a type of russula. So, here's more Indian pipes back there. All types of things are coming up there, waiting for this rain to come up. There's a whole bunch of those russulas. They look pretty out here. Of course, some got stamped and stompled on. Alright, so the blue blazes mean the falls trail system. So this should take me to the waterfall. Hopefully. Swimming, wading, diving prohibited. You know, how many people do you think actually follow those rules? I can hear something now up here. Looks like there's a bridge. This is cool. Nice creek here. Guess the waterfall's up that way yet. There's a little waterfall. I'm sure there's a bigger one up here though. I can see fish down in there too. Maybe I should go fishing. There's a nice one. I don't know if that's the biggest one or not. Yeah, I don't know if you can see the fish in there or not. Right there they are. Yeah, even at a beautiful place like this, people gotta leave their crap laying around. Let me go eat lunch here. Well, I told you that no one would follow that sign. Got some kids swimming in here. Yeah, so those boys were having quite a bit of fun doing everything the sign was telling them not to do. So that's alright, I guess. Great place to eat lunch. Well, it's time to say goodbye to this beautiful spot. Let's start heading back. Well, there are some fish down here, and I'm just gonna catch some. I always bring a fishing rod with me, so let's see what I can catch. Yeah, I always bring along a telescopic fishing rod. Fits nice in my backpack. Well, I did catch one. I got a picture of it, but it fell off the hook, so I can show the picture on the video then. Let me try for another one. Well, here's proof. Just a sunfish type thing, nothing big. But I caught one. I'll let him go here. Well, that was fun. Wasn't exactly a trophy fish, but doesn't really matter. I caught one. So I'm just on my way back to the truck. Maybe about a mile of hiking yet here.